Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. In today's video, meron naman tayong chemistry question na nagagaling sa Battle of the Brains High School Division Difficult Round. And here's the question. The empirical formula of a compound is CH2O2. The atomic weight of carbon is 12 grams per mole, hydrogen is 1 gram per mole, and oxygen is 16 grams per mole. If the compound molecular weight is 230 grams per mole, what is its molecular formula? And first, we will substitute all these given elements sa kanilang grams per mole. By taking first the carbon, which is C, is equal to 12 grams per mole. Then the hydrogen, which is only 1. Then finally, the oxygen, which is 16 grams per mole. E ngayon, tingnan natin kung ano ang molecular weight ng given na empirical formula na CH2O2. By substituting the given elements sa kanilang grams per mole. Okay? So, since C lang to, is only 1, itong C, that will be 12. Plus, the another element which is hydrogen, makikita natin dito na 2. So, if you're about to add 2 hydrogens, that will be 2 grams per mole, which will be 2. Then lastly, itong oxygen, we will just simply multiply that into 2, kasi O2 siya. 16 times 2 is equal to 32. Okay, and now, we're about to add for us to get the molecular weight of the empirical formula, which will be 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 times 32 is equal to, very good, 46 grams per mole. So, ito ang sagot sa empirical formula natin. Pero, sabi rito, if the compound molecular weight is 230 grams per mole, ano ang kanyang molecular formula? What we're going to do para maging accurate ang ating sagot sa mismong empirical formula, we will just simply divide 230 sa 46. Okay, by taking 230 divided by 46, which will be 5. 5 times 46 is 230, so there's no remainder. So, ito ang gagamitin natin for us to multiply each element. Ngayon, isulat ulit natin ang empirical formula, which is CH2O2. Itong 5, gagamitin natin yan for us to multiply each element. So, unahin muna natin ang C, which is only 1. So, we will just simply multiply 1 sa 5. Bababa natin itong C, that will be C5. Tapos itong H2, 2 sa 5, kaya maging 10 sagot dyan. Kaya, kung ibababa natin ng H2, that will be H10. Then finally, kung i-upgrade natin itong O2, we will multiply as well sa 5, kaya mag-isagot dyan ay O10. Kapag ang molecular weight ay 230 grams per mole, ay C5H10 O10. I hope we learned something new. It's me, Bernardo Escorial. Stacker out.